Hey guys, and welcome to Elmax. I'm Cameron. Today we are machining a high-precision impeller housing made from stainless steel. How cool is that? First, the roughing tool comes in. That's to machine the billet down and make chips. Multiple passes, machining big chunks out of the steel to get prepared for the next stage of the process. Then the finishing tool comes in. This is the tool to get the precise tolerances and a great surface finish. Then the boring tool comes in to machine the inside diameter to the correct tight tolerances and high surface finish. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like all things engineering, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.